Text to animation videos using AI tools for free. Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be quickly walking ourselves through text animation tools. Okay, so the tool we're using today is Steve.ai. So once you come to Steve.ai, you're going to sign up with their account. Okay, the sign up process is really simple. I'm just going to load Steve.ai in, and it's going to be asking our username, so I'm just going to add something random. Then you have your email, so I'm going to go ahead with a temp mail for now. You don't necessarily need to follow this step, but you can if you want to. Then just add a password, agree to their terms, and click on sign up. Now the best part about Steve AI is that you can do all of this for free, obviously for a limited time, but still imagine creating great text to animation videos, okay, and for free. So I love Steve AI for its free working, and like, even though it is limited, but it's not as limited as a person could imagine. So now you're going to tell them what kind of videos do you want to create. I'm going to go just skip through these. Okay. Just skimming through these like this. And once we do this, we're going to click on submit. And once you click on submit, it's going to take you to your dashboard. Now, once you're in your dashboard, you're going to be in your creation space where you can create different things. So this is what we want, text to animation, right? So you're going to prompt the Steve AI, and you're going to let them know any random text body. And once you let them know a text body, from there, what's going to be happening is, we're going to go ahead, start working with all the great stuff that it provides. So let's say I'm going to add a scene. What is your video about? You can have it generate your own script, by the way, but I'm just going to go ahead, come here, and write, any random script. Or what you can do is you can even use ChatGPT to write you a script. That obviously depends on you. So you can write me a script about Hercules with scenes like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it all depends on the prompt. So as you can see, it's going to start giving you all these things. So what we're going to do is we're simply going to copy all these things. Okay, and I'm going to come here. Okay, paste this. Now, once you start pasting all these things, as you can see, the scenes go on and on and on. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy most of it, paste it, and paste it over here, like so. And once all these things are done, we've created different scenes. So what you can do is then you have obviously this. We want an animated video. Choose your source. You can add voiceovers, add music. If you don't want music, you can remove that, etc. And once we do this, I'm simply going to click on next. It even gives you the duration. What your video is about, I'm just going to write storytelling. Okay, and I'm going to click on next. Now, once you click on next, it's going to start the generation for your animated video. And you're also going to use a template style. Let's say I'm going to go with this template style over here. And then it starts loading in your scene. So that is basically how you are going to create a text animation video using Steve AI. Obviously, it's going to take a little, a few seconds to load things in. Not a lot, to be honest, because the AI usually tends to work pretty quickly. So finally, it's going to bring you to your workspace where it's going to start showing you your video. And look at that. So different scenes with different textings that we've added recently. Okay. And you can obviously switch scenes, add different voiceovers, add music. And that's the pretty easy general idea of how. So you can see how cool that looks. So that is pretty much on how you can use text animation AI tools. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.